morning, I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. Today is the 27th of August and we have a lineup of crucial stories touching every corner of the globe, from the latest developments in politics to groundbreaking technological advancements. Heavy rush of devotees at ISKCON temple in Patna on Janmashtami created a stampede-like situation. Minor injuries were reported, but police quickly brought the situation under control. A Thane court remanded school attendant to 14-day judicial custody for allegedly sexually abusing two minors in Badlapur. Some school management members have also been implicated. Actor and BJP MP Kangana Ranaut sought police help after receiving death threats over her upcoming film Emergency, in which she portrays former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Ukrainian President Zelensky urged European nations to help counter Russian drone and missile attacks after over 100 missiles and drones hit Ukraine, including regions near European borders. The Baloch Liberation Army claimed responsibility of two attacks in Balochistan, killing at least 31 people. The attacks targeted bus, vehicles and police officials. Prime Minister Modi spoke with US President Biden, discussing a range of issues including the safety of minorities in Bangladesh and the ongoing situation in Ukraine amid the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. BJP expressed disagreement with Kangana Ranaut's remarks on the farmers' protest, stating that she is neither authorized nor permitted to speak on party policy. Union Home Minister Amit Shah announced the creation of 5 new districts in Ladakh, aiming to enhance governance and development in the region. Canadian PM Justin Trudeau announced plans to reduce the share of temporary foreign workers in low-wage sectors and reconsider the number of permanent residents. It is time for a break now. We'll be back with more news. Stay tuned.
इस तरह आरकेडीएफ विश्वविद्यालय राज्य और देश के आधुनिक और उच्च विश्वविद्यालयों में से एक है।
यूनिवर्सिटी, ये है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी, a world-class university. Education glorifies nation.
On the occasion of Janmashtami, Bangladesh interim government head Muhammad Yunus met with Hindu community leaders, promising to promote interfaith harmony following recent violence against minorities. Ukrainian President Zelensky condemned Russia's overnight missile and drone barrage, which caused significant damage to Ukraine's energy infrastructure. The Indian government is investigating the Telegram app over concern of its use in criminal activities, including extortion, gambling, with a possibility ban under consideration. WHO stated that Mpox outbreak in Central Africa can be contained but may require $135 million in funding following a surge in cases linked to a new strain in the DRC. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh concluded his US visit, highlighting the role of the Indian community as a living bridge between the two nations. A polygraph test on Sanjay Roy, accused in the Kolkata trainee doctor's gruesome assault and murder case, flagged several false answers, as Roy claimed the doctor was already dead when he arrived. Russia launched its largest assault on Ukraine since the war began, targeting energy infrastructure with over 100 missiles and around 100 Shahed drones. The attack killed at least 5 people and caused widespread power outrage across multiple cities. In a major political update, former Jharkhand CM Champai Soren is set to join BJP on August 30, as announced by Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sharma after Soren's meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.